Welcome to today's nail art lesson. Let me do a simple restoration. As usual, arrange a set of pre-made tools first. Simply cut off the fake shape. And you can stick the fake. Today's style is more complicated. Jump directly through the sword and enter the style. I thought I could be bold today. As a result, ask for a shortcut. It's okay. It's okay. First, use a patting gun to cover the oil line. Remember to brush a layer of oil to make it easier to paint later. Now, let's watch it together. Sometimes the most beautiful nail designs come from pure creativity. This nail art combines different colors, textures, and tiny details to create a playful and unique look. From glossy polish to sparkling accents, every nail tells its own little story. The mix of styles makes the design fun, stylish, and perfect for anyone who loves experimenting with new nail ideas. Nail art is all about expressing yourself and letting your creativity shine. Don't be afraid to try new colors, patterns, and decorations to make your nails stand out. If you love creative nail art ideas like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends so they can get inspired too. You can recreate this style with your favorite colors or add your own little twist to make it even more special. Nail art has no rules. The more creative you get, the more beautiful and unique the result becomes. Whether you love glitter, glossy polish, tiny gems, or simple, elegant shades, random nail art lets you mix everything together for a truly eye-catching look. It's the perfect way to turn your nails into tiny pieces of art. Your support helps this channel grow and motivates us to bring more beautiful nail art tutorials, creative designs, and trendy ideas for you. Stay tuned for more amazing nail inspiration. This nail art design is all about creativity and having fun with colors, textures, and little sparkling details. Each nail has its own personality, yet together, they create a beautiful and stylish look that instantly catches the eye. Whether it's glossy polish, glitter accents, or tiny decorative elements, every detail adds a touch of charm and elegance. Nail art like this shows that beauty can be playful too. Sometimes the best designs are the ones where you simply experiment and let your imagination guide you. In the end, add transparent code to give it a finished glossy look. So, I hope you like this tutorial. Take care, see you next time.